So I've got a balloon twisting job tomorrow and I need to get my bag organised and sorted so I can get whatever balloon I want as quickly as possible. I've got about 35 children and I want to make sure they have something nice by the end of the 1 hour. I'm only there for an hour, that I'll be entertaining them. And I want to also entertain them as well, so I don't want to spend half an hour making one balloon. I want to make sure they all have something. I want to make sure they all have something nice, and I want to make sure that we all have fun. So that's where this preparation comes in.
Thank you.